This video tutorial will cover the basics of using MS Project 2013. The following items will be covered in this tutorial: tasks, task dependencies. Tasks. A task is an activity that has a defined duration, start date, and end date. All project schedules are composed of tasks. For example, if the PM, Cookie Monster, made a schedule, it would probably be composed of two main tasks. 1. Find cookies. 2. Eat cookies. Task dependencies. Task dependencies dictate when tasks start and finish. Dependencies or links are represented by arrows between tasks. The default task dependency is called the finish to start link. It is also the most common. This means a task cannot start before another finishes. For example, the task to find cookies would have to be completed before the task eat cookies could start. The first task in a finish to start link is called the predecessor. The second task is called the successor. Now, let's create a schedule for the Cookie Monster team to bake some cookies. The schedule for a scope to bake cookie will be composed of 4 tasks and 1 milestone. 1. Buy ingredients. 2. Make cookie dough. 3. Bake cookies. 4. Eat cookies. 5. Cookie process complete and yummy. When these tasks are first created, they do not have any task dependencies. To link buy ingredients with make cookie dough, I simply have to enter the number 1 into make cookie dough's predecessor column. This is telling project that buy ingredients is the predecessor of making cookie dough and creates a finish start relationship between the tasks. The Gantt chart, you can see the finish to start link represented as an arrow between the two tasks. Also notice that a 2 appears in the buy ingredients successor column. The next 3 tasks can be linked in a similar fashion. Now, let's say the PM Cookie Monster is making cookies for his girlfriend, the Cookie Dough Monster. She does not like to eat baked cookies. To represent this in the schedule, a few modifications must be made. 1. First, we need to add an Eat Baked Cookies task. This is done by selecting Cookies Complete, right-clicking, and selecting Insert Task. A task is inserted above Cookies Complete. 2. Name the new task Eat Baked Cookies. 3. Link Eat Baked Cookies to Bake Cookies by entering a 3 in the Eat Baked Cookies column. 4. Now we will rename Eat Cookies to Eat Cookie Dough and link it to Make Cookie Dough as opposed to Bake Cookies. This is done by deleting the current task's predecessor of 3 and typing in a 2. All tasks in a schedule, excluding the first and last task, need to have both a predecessor and successor. Tasks that do not have a link into the schedule are known as hanging tasks. Hanging tasks pose a large risk to the schedule. For example, looking back at the schedule to verify that all tasks have successors and predecessors, we notice that Eat Baked Cookies does not have a successor. This can be corrected by adding a predecessor of 5 to the milestone Cookies Complete. The Cookies Complete milestone is then moved to the correct date. All UDOT templates have task logic built in. However, the logic needs to be reevaluated for each project. Other task relationships are beyond the scope of this basics video and will be covered in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. All the information in this video is conveniently found on the UDOT MS Project cheat sheet.